25 seconds to play. Strike downfield. Again, Restrepo gets the foot in. Xavier Restrepo. 20 seconds remain for the Canes.
I was saying earlier, Tyler Van Dyke once or twice a game makes a wild throw that you want to just rewind. Look at the window he puts this in over Demani Richardson. Nothing you can do.
It's off the charts.
7. Van Dyke wants to take a shot, and he gets it! Into the end zone is Isaiah Hort. Smith on the return for the Canes. Catches a seam. Here goes Smith. Would you look at what we got going on in Hard Rock, folks?